Today, I'll show you exactly how luxury perfume is made, from the finest natural ingredients to the beautifully packaged bottle. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes factory tours.
Master perfumers carefully balance hundreds of fragrance ingredients to create the perfect scent profile.
Formula 42 is now stable. Dispensing the final component. Perfect, the bergamot is now balanced.
The perfume is carefully matured and filtered to ensure exceptional clarity and quality. Every bottle is filled, sealed, and assembled with exceptional precision. Every bottle is carefully inspected for fragrance quality, appearance, and packaging before shipment. And that's how luxury perfume is made, from premium ingredients to the beautiful bottle you see in stores. Thanks for